1. 一杯一杯 2. 二杯二杯 3. 三杯三杯 4. 四杯四杯 5. 五杯五杯 6. 六杯六杯 or 六杯六杯 7. 七杯七杯 8. 八杯八杯 or 八杯八杯 9. 九杯九杯 10. 十杯十杯 For example, 毎朝紅茶を2杯飲みます。I drink 2 cups of tea every morning. 毎朝紅茶を2杯飲みます。毎朝 means every morning. 紅茶 means tea. 2杯 means 2 cup of. 飲みます means drink. 毎朝紅茶を2杯飲みます。Native speed. 毎朝紅茶を2杯飲みます。For example 2. 小さじ1杯の砂糖を入れてください。Please add 1 teaspoon of sugar. 小さじ1杯の砂糖を入れてください。小さじ means teaspoons. 1杯 means 1. 砂糖 means sugar. 入れてください means please add. 小さじ1杯の砂糖を入れてください。Native speed. 小さじ1杯の砂糖を入れてください。For example 3. 1日にコーヒーを5杯は飲みます。I drink 5 cups of coffee a day. 1日にコーヒーを5杯は飲みます。1日 means a day. 5杯 means 5 cups. 1日にコーヒーを5杯は飲みます。Native speed. 1日にコーヒーを5杯は飲みます。For example 4. みんな、お味噌汁は5杯でいい？ Everyone is 5 bowls of miso soup, okay? みんな、お味噌汁は5杯でいい？みんな means everyone. お味噌汁 means miso soup. 5杯 means 5 bowls. いい means okay. みんな、お味噌汁は5杯でいい？ Native speed. みんな、お味噌汁は5杯でいい？ Great! Let's check how many words do you remember. Quick quiz. Number 1. Which one is 3 cup of tea in Japanese? A. 3杯 2. 2杯 C. 7杯The answer is A. 3杯 Number 2. Which one is 9 cups of tea in Japanese? A. 6杯 B. 9杯 C. 10杯The answer is B. 9杯 Number 3. Which one is 5 cups of tea in Japanese? A. 5杯 B. 2杯 C. 8杯 The answer is A. 5杯 Number 4. Which one is 7 cups of tea in Japanese? A. 1杯 B. 7杯 C. 5杯 The answer is B. 7杯 Number 5. Which one is 10 cups of tea in Japanese? A. 8杯 B. 10杯 C. 2杯 The answer is B. 10杯 Great! Something you might enjoy. Japanese coloring book called Kawaii Japan Trip by Very Kawaii Club is on sale at Amazon.com. This coloring book will make you imagine you are traveling in Japan by coloring in your room or anywhere you like. Coloring is a healthy way to relieve stress and helps your body relax. Let's enjoy your creativity with coloring book Kawaii Japan Trip. Thank you for watching. ご視聴ありがとうございます。If you'd like our video, please subscribe and smash the good button. We deeply appreciate you taking the time to watch our video today. See you next video. またね